Let me introduce myself. My name is FAJAR FAUZAN ADHIMA. I am 18 years old, and I like to be called Bojes. I live in Ciburui, and here I will tell you about my daily life. In the morning, I practice rowing, and after training, I eat straight away and sleep, and in the afternoon, I practice again. Sometimes I go down to the water or I don't practice ergo. After training, I immediately rest and eat. After that, I take a shower. And don't forget to fly 5 times. At night, I like to play with my friend playing game, and after I come home playing, I like to watch TV with family. After watching, I go to sleep, and the spirit of welcoming the morning every day. My activities like that are not far from continuous training, and when I have free time, I like cycling or running and walking with my friend to the mountain. After that, I also like to eat with my friend. If at home, I like to annoy my sister by taking her cell phone when she is playing game, and sometimes like to take her food, and also have a sister, my sister daughter. The daughter is very cute and very beautiful. I really like to carry her and take care of her. In my sister-in-law and my brother is not here. Oh yeah, I also sometimes like to play with my girlfriend. I like to go for work with her and like to look for food together. Yes, that's my daily story.